Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer Canon MG5700, so 5700 series, and I'm gonna show you how to enable double-sided printing on this device. Scroll down and find here Echo settings. Choose it. And here you will see two-sided printing settings. So click OK, and you can enable two-sided printing on copy mode and template print enable too. Click OK, two-sided print settings are saved, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.